While searching for a reliable garage door repair company, you may find it hard to assess them all. They may all are able to do garage door installations and repairs, and you will find some that may have very reasonable prices. Depending upon where you stand located, maybe you have multiple companies, all of these can provide comparable services. If you wish to assist the most effective company, however, then you may want to consider working with my company, which offers the very best services within this community. For this reason, you can depend on the pros at DoReMi Garage Door Replacement, Arvada, Colorado if you wish to get the very best garage door repair and installation services.